we will introduce Taiyo Uden's high-reliability components. Taiyo Uden's high-reliability products have been optimized to meet the required standards of each market category, such as the automotive, electrical, and industrial equipment markets. With the development of electric and hybrid vehicles, autonomous driving, and the sophistication of information devices such as telematics, requirements are on the rise for high reliability and enhanced characteristics. Our components for the automotive electrical market are qualified for AEC-Q 200 test standards and IATF 16949 certification, optimally designed to achieve long lifetimes and low failure rates, and made from optimal materials. For each individual application, our high-reliability products for the automotive electrical market are grouped into the categories of powertrain and safety and body and chassis and infotainment. The body and chassis and infotainment products are for body-related equipment such as electric door mirrors and body control units, as well as for information systems such as car infotainment equipment and clusters. The powertrain and safety category of products, which require higher levels of reliability, is for control systems such as engine ECUs and transmissions, as well as for safety systems such as ABS and airbags. For our multi-layer ceramic capacitors, we are working to achieve greater capacitance while realizing high reliability across a wide range of product sizes. For body and chassis and information systems applications. For multi-layer ceramic capacitors, the MCAS series consists of temperature compensation type, high dielectric type, and medium to high rated voltage type. For LW reversal decoupling low ESL capacitor, the MCRL series has inverted LW dimensions, low ESR and ESL, and excellent ripple and high-frequency noise rejection performance, making them ideal for decoupling applications. For high-frequency, low-loss medium-high voltage, the MCAR series are compact, high-rated voltage capacitors that provide high Q at high frequencies. For soft termination, the MCJC series absorbs vibrations, stress, and thermal shock from the board and suppresses cracking due to their resin external electrodes. For powertrain and safety applications. For multi-layer ceramic capacitors, high dielectric constant type, the MAAS series is developed for use in control and safety equipment, which require particularly high levels of reliability. For soft termination, the MAJC series absorbs vibrations, stress, and thermal shock from the board and suppresses cracking due to their resin external electrodes. Next, we would like to introduce our conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors. The difference between conventional aluminum electrolytic capacitors and conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors is that the former uses only electrolyte, whereas the latter uses a combination of conductive polymer and electrolyte. The use of conductive polymer in combination with electrolyte enables low ESR, resulting in low noise and the capability to withstand high currents. As with aluminum electrolytic capacitors, the failure mode in the range of service life failure is the open mode. Next, we will talk about M-coil, metal power inductors made from metallic magnetic materials that excel in compactness and high current performance, and our ferrite power inductors. M-coil for body and chassis and information systems applications includes the LCDN series with a sleeveless construction and metal drum core, the LCEN series that achieves high current and low resistance by improving metal materials and winding structures, have now been enhanced to support high temperatures of up to 150 degrees Celsius. And the LCCN series that can be applied to temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius with high performance and a compact size that is achieved by combining metal materials and a multi-layer structure. Our ferrite power inductors are The LCRN series with a ferrite sleeve and ferrite drum core. The LCXN LCXP with a sleeveless construction and ferrite drum core. And the LCXH LCXA with a sleeveless structure and ferrite drum core and a metal resin exterior with electrodes that are compatible with automatic visual inspection. For the 3015 for 018 case sizes, support for high temperatures of up to 150 degrees Celsius has also been achieved. For powertrain and safety systems applications up to 150 degrees Celsius. The LAYP series is with a ferrite sleeve and ferrite drum core. They are resistant to vibrations as high as 30 G thanks to their unique structural design. The LAXH series is with a sleeveless structure and ferrite drum core and a metal resin exterior with electrodes that allow automatic visual inspection. Furthermore, the newly introduced LACN series has achieved a world-first operating temperature of 165 degrees Celsius for multi-layer metal power inductors by advancing our proprietary metal materials and multi-layer manufacturing techniques. We would like to move on to our ferrite bead inductors, which are noise suppression components with a unique internal structure. For body and chassis and information systems applications. The LCMC LCMG series are suitable for wideband noise rejection up to GHz bandwidths. For control and safety systems applications. The LAMG series are suitable for wideband noise rejection up to GHz bandwidths. They are capable of withstanding temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius thanks to our advanced material technology. We would like to introduce our telematics RF solutions. Taiyo Yuden has 3 core technologies: FBAR, SAW, and multi-layer ceramics. In addition to the product lineup based on each of these individual technologies, we are committed to providing total solutions for wireless communications based on our unique hybrid technologies that are a combination of these, as well as a variety of other product technologies. We will introduce our piezoelectric actuators. Switches in automobiles are increasingly becoming flat-paneled and touch-sensitive. Since safety is critical in automobile interiors, haptic feedback for switches is indispensable. The operating principle is based on the inverse piezoelectric effect, in which applying a voltage to a piezoelectric element generates a displacement proportional to the voltage. As a result, applying an alternating voltage causes the element to expand and contract, making it vibrate. With materials developed in-house and by optimizing multi-layer structures using the multi-layering technology used in our multi-layer ceramic capacitors, we are able to produce high displacement and low power consumption actuators for various applications. This concludes the presentation of Taiyo Yuden's high reliability components. Thank you very much for listening.